Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Rajeshwari. You don't have webcam?
Yes, I do, ma'am. Yes.
Then start your video so that
Okay.
we'll get to know who is the presenter.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Is it visible, ma'am? No,
yeah,
but
yeah.
I'm too short.
Adjust. That's it.
Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
yeah,
ma'am.
go on.
Yeah. Yeah. Good morning, team. Today I'm going to present a presentation on H5P course presentation. Um, so there's a PPT which was prepared by me. The course presentation. The content of the course presentation here is introduction. And introduction here, the course presentation
Share
consists
your
of.
screen. Share your screen. Rajeshwari, share your
Yes,
screen
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Oh, screen share.
because we are live streaming. Some content should be visible, no?
Okay. Is it okay, ma'am?
Yeah, shows your yeah.
Yeah.
No,
So
now it's
the
visible. Even.
yeah H5P course
Can you go back to
presentation
the first slide?
first
No,
slide.
no. Can you go
Okay.
back to the first slide? Your name is there. I want to see your name on the
No,
phone.
ma'am. I didn't give my name on this.
Always add your name and your from IBS HO. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
that
ma'am.
is important. Okay then.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah. So here the content of the H5P course presentation is the introduction, like what is a course presentation, and second comes to the types of interaction. What type of interaction we include in the presentation course presentation,
Mm-hmm.
and how do we create the elements,
Mm-hmm.
and after creating the elements also we can insert the images, sounds, or the videos also. And
Mm-hmm.
addition to that, we can add the queries like questions. There are many types of questions like fill up the blanks, MCQs. So what all possible questions we come across in the exams, like such type of questions can be added. And as I told you previously, the video also can be added. In turn,
There is a typo. Video spelling is wrong.
yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, correct it. Okay.
Yeah, within the video also we can give the questions again. Like we can have
Interactive
add the
video.
interactive video.
Mm,
And the last comes with the assessment and the feedback.
okay.
So this is the introduction to the course presentation. Here the
Same observation. Last time also I suggested Bhishma. So it should be a bullet point, Rajeshwari. Okay. Or any
uh,
PPT, you cannot copy and paste it. So what you can do
no,
is course presentations use, okay? Hit
okay.
enter and make it a sub point under course presentation, use images. Okay. Don't
Okay,
copy and
here
paste
why did I
paragraph.
give the bullets is the thing is here the course presentation, this is one definition, ma'am.
Mhm.
Sorry, this is one definition, and the second one is the H5P course presentation.
See,
Two definitions are there.
that's not a definition at all. See, course
Okay,
presentation use images. That is the first point. Then course presentation are used when you want to package. So we cannot give full sentences.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So
Okay,
learn
ma'am.
how to create bullet points. Crisp points should be there. You need not write the entire sentence on that. Okay.
Okay,
Bullet
okay,
point
ma'am.
with 4 or 5 words in that bullet point, and you elaborate it while presenting that point. Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So here we within the course presentation we use images, videos, text, and interactive elements. What type of interactive elements are included, that I'll be showing in the PPT. And that also they are an interactive alternative to the PPT presentation. And
The
coming to
first point,
HY,
see, listen to me. The first point you should present while presenting about course presentation is so it's an interactive alternative to the PowerPoint that our
point.
faculty members use. Okay, that is the
Okay,
first because you create slides within the slides you incorporate interactive elements, right?
okay, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
it's an interactive alternative to your PPT. So
PPT,
while training the
yes.
faculty members, you should emphasize on that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Now,
And H5P course presentation is nothing but it is an HTML5 based presentation. Here, all the same thing like elements we can create, such as the slides, titles, links, pictures, audio, video clips, as well as we can include the questions at the same
hmm.
time. And the other type of interactions are also there. We can use the resources from the web browsers also. So here the type of interactions what are included in the course presentation. There are two types, that
Mm-hmm.
is static and the interactive. Coming to the static,
Mm-hmm.
text. Then
Mm-hmm.
next one, link. These all I will be showing in the
Okay. Yeah.
creating the course presentation using the Lumi app. And the
Okay.
next comes the image, next comes the video, next
Mm-hmm.
comes the audio.
Mm-hmm.
And here the table will also be created. Next, coming to the interactive, we have several types of multiple choice questions, true or false, fill up the blanks, drag and drop, mark the words, drag text, and dialogue cards, exportable text area, and interactive video. So these
Mm-hmm.
are the type of interactions.
Mm-hmm.
Here, how we create the HYP is we use the Lumi app, which we will be we can use on through the offline also. Yeah, shall I show it from the app itself, ma'am, now, or else through the PPT only?
Quickly take us through the slides what you have so that I can suggest if any changes to be
Okay,
made.
ma'am.
Okay.
So this is the screenshot of the Lumi app.
Mm-hmm.
Here we can see the two options, that is HYP editor and Lumi Analytics. We
Mm-hmm.
used HYP editor. When we
Mm-hmm.
click start on the HYP editor, we use like this. We get the dialog box like this. And
Mm-hmm.
within this, if you are having an HYP already in your file, you can just click on open existing HYP. Otherwise, when you are creating a new HYP, click on create a new HYP.
Mm-hmm.
When you click on creating a, like you want to create a new question now, when you click on the create a new question, you will get the option like this. Under this you want to you can we have many options here. You can see here some of the options available: interactive video, course presentation, multiple choice questions,
How many? So,
and so on.
one question. If faculty members ask you how many interactive content types are available on H5P, do you have an idea?
No idea exactly number,
What
ma'am.
about the other two team members? See,
Exactly.
if I ask Rajeshri to
Yes,
present
yes,
something, means you are expected to explore the same either authoring tool or Moodle functionality. So, how
yes.
many? Any idea from the other team members? Naresh and Bhishma,
I saw around 10.
are you using
No, 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 no types.
wrong? Naresh, where is Naresh? No idea. Okay, three of you explore and let me know. Many times I presented how many content types are available. Okay, go on,
Yes.
Rajesh.
Yeah. So here, as I'm giving a presentation on course presentation, I'm clicking on the we have to click on the course presentation. So if at all the course presentation is not there within the choose like a choice, you can click on the get. Say here, when click on the get, you can use install the after clicking on the get option, you have to install the presentation. After it has been successfully installed, you can use the course presentation type of interaction. Next, so here comes the create how to create the course presentation. Here you can see all the elements, like this is whether capital T with comes to the text, and this is the linking, this is the image, how to upload the image, and here is the audio, this is the video, and this is the slides moving right side or left side, and this is again the comes to the audio with the multiple choice questions. Here it is sorry.
Okay, we'll explore all these on Lumates. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll just quickly take us through the slides. That's it. I wanted to see what are all there.
Yes, ma'am. So this is our step by step I have given, ma'am. What are all options? First of all, we have on the content page, like here. So this is the slide bar. We can give name the slides
What
using
I
them.
suggest you is on PPT you have that insert text, na?
Yes,
Along
ma'am.
with this arrow, insert text box and add that single word. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
And these are the slides. So we have the options, no, ma'am. There we have the slide bar. When we are adding a new slide, you can have the other options also, like clone slide or the slide background, and the slide left and slide right. We have all the slides options there, and we
Yeah.
can.
One important point on creating a PPT slide. We never use commas, full stops on any slide. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the H5P what I have created using a Lumi app. So I have chosen our topic as Model for Teachers, Trainers, Administrators. This is the course presentation which I am presenting now. For example, this is included
Okay.
using the text button on clicking the text button. So here, this I have given the background color and alignment as center, and we can as same as to the word copy, here also you will have the font size, color changes and background, etc. And this is the first slide. If you want to add any image to the first slide, like a slides, you clicking upon the image icon, you will get a option as add option. On clicking the plus button, you can upload the image what you have already in the on the desktop, or else you can just upload it from the like URLs also. So here I have taken the modal option like image
Okay.
which I have
Can you go to the previous slide? So
yes ma'am.
earlier I told you you also need to previous slide. You also need to consider all the accessibility issues here. So if it is only for decorative, you need to check the decorative only. Otherwise, you
Yes,
need to add that alternative text. That is
yes
important.
ma'am, yes ma'am,
Okay. If
alternative
you
text.
yeah
Here in the alternative text we have to give the Moodle image, like name it as a Moodle image here.
yeah.
Um, here here it is also you can change the image background or only the colors you want to add onto the design. This can be if you want to add any background to the slide, this is the arrow mark which is showing. Here is the option. On clicking this option, you will get the two options here, image background or the color fill background. Whatever you want to add, you can use the template which are available on the option slide background. The next comes with the, so this is the second slide. Clicking on the add slide.
You didn't create a template for IBS, Rajeshwari. I asked you to create a standardized. You work on this, okay? Standard template for IBS, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay. So this is the second slide. The second slide is the content of the Moodle. Like I have included what is Moodle, creating a user account in the Moodle, and what are the screen elements, like basic elements of the Moodle screen.
Okay.
The next to this second slide, I have added an audio option. On clicking the audio icon, see here is when you are clicking the audio icon, again you will get the two options here, like title you have to give the what type of audio you are adding, like introduction to the topic or the description of the topic, whatever it may be, you have to give the title of the
Whatever
audio.
element, interactive element or a non-interactive element you add, you should
Yes.
start with that metadata button.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So that is important. There you need to say, for example, if you have taken audio, some podcast, Moodle podcast, they are releasing podcast also, Moodle HQ they are releasing. If you
Okay.
reuse them, then in the metadata, you mention the source and if it is a CC licensed one and everything.
Yes.
So while
Yes.
exploring through hands-on, I'll let you know what are these. Okay, that is important.
Okay.
Okay, this is the
Yeah. Yes,
point
ma'am.
you need to explain while training the
Okay.
faculty members. That is
Okay.
important.
So
Okay.
this I have to include in the PPT also, ma'am.
Yeah. PPT
Metadata
also
one.
metadata and accessibility issues. You forgot to do that. Okay. Metadata
Yes,
issues.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. So same as the images, you can just click the plus icon, and if you have already the audio which is saved on your desktop, you can just upload it, or also it can be taken from any other resources also.
No,
And here,
generally we encourage our faculty members to publish it on some free platforms like SoundCloud and other. Okay, from
yeah,
there get the
okay.
URL. Otherwise, what will happen? It will be our Moodle server will be overloaded. That is
Yeah,
another issue.
size
Okay.
of the audio. Yes, ma'am.
Always encourage faculty members to publish on videos on YouTube or audio on other SoundCloud and other platforms. Okay.
Okay. And here coming to the player mode, you have to select it as a minimalistic. Like
Mm-hmm.
as you have told them, it must be
Yes.
to some extent only.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it must be taken the option as minimalistic. Then next, here when we have created added the sound, here is the image
You found an audio clip on this, or this is
yes
only
ma'am,
an?
yes ma'am, I found it ma'am, I
Okay,
found
okay.
it. Yeah. So this here the audio icon also, you will have the size, you can just resize it also. And when you click on the audio icon, you can just hear the audio which was uploaded to the
Mm-hmm.
slide. And here the next slide comes with the adding and fill up the blank query.
Mm-hmm.
So I
Can
have
you can you
chosen
can you go to the previous slide?
yes ma'am. Yeah.
Generally, we mix up all the media elements on a single slide. We
Yeah.
don't use it only for sharing an audio file.
Okay.
So you can adjust the frame so that
Ah,
just below the frame or left it or right to the audio frame, you can add content from Moodle documentation. What is Moodle? Okay. Try
yes ma'am.
to
Yes.
mix a variety of media elements on a single slide.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. I thought, but I thought like all at once. Why to do it? I'm get
No, no.
used to add
Generally,
slides also.
see, you are wasting so much. Generally, on any slide, see, you on your PPT, you don't waste the space, no?
Okay. Okay.
This is also a slide presentation, but it is an interactive slide presentation. That is the only
Yes.
difference. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay, ma'am.
on PPT slide, on one side, we insert images. On the right side, we add the bullet points, text points, right?
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Similar way, you also add some bullet points on one side, either side of it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Mm.
Yeah. So here I have taken an option as fill up the blank. For suppose the Moodle is dash. So here is
Mm.
the option given filled up the blank answer is the course management system CMS. So how it works, I'll show it through the
Moodle is a course management system. Huh?
yes, ma'am.
How do you train others? Answer from Naresh and Bhishma. Is it a CMS
No,
or
it's a
LMS?
LMS, ma'am. Learning
It's
module system.
it's an learning.
Module systems
No,
or
wrong. Learning management system.
management system.
It's an LMS. Earlier we used to consider it as course management. Have you taken this from Moodle documentation, Rajeshwari?
No, ma'am.
Earlier,
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. This I have browsed on the like on it.
I think many use this like a CMS,
Yeah.
but now we consider it as an LMS. Okay,
LMS.
learning
Okay.
management system. Okay,
Okay.
now
This
okay.
modal topic I have taken from one of the like a document, ma'am. I don't know which university. So total book I downloaded.
Uh,
Okay.
See, by the time all of you should have minimum confidence, you need not consult any documentation or any site. Be
Okay.
confident about your Moodle administration skills or Moodling skills. Okay, don't
Okay, ma'am.
consult when you are confident about. See, these are the some kind of earlier some used to use the term CMS, but we prefer to use the LMS than a CMS. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Again,
I'll just change
if
it
you
off.
use the word CMS, we also have the content management system. For that, we use WordPress or Drupal or some other CMSs. Unnecessary
Okay.
confusion. Okay, always
Yeah.
use
Okay.
the LMS. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So here I have taken the fill up the blank, and in the next one, so this is the image what it occurs
Okay, okay.
when it has been the question has been created.
Mhm. Okay.
So when we have given the answer, you can check the answer. So if it is wrong, it gives a image draw outlet like this, and when it is correct, it gives the
Thank you.
outlet like this.
Okay.
So the other MCQ which I have added is true or false.
Again,
So that
metadata
also
are
can
missing. That's the reason it's showing
yes, ma'am.
untitled. No. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is anyone noting down the points or observations that we made or make today for Rajeshwari? You have a notepad with you, Rajeshwari?
Now I have not didn't
No,
take
you should
it.
be ready. All the presents should be
Yeah.
ready. Or
Okay,
someone
ma'am.
please provide that support to the other part presenters. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. I'll take. And the third question I have taken as true. This is the second one, and third one I have taken as the third slide with the
Mhm.
modal screen elements. And to this, I have added some description about the modal screen elements. So
Mhm.
what are the elements included in the modal? To this, I have added a video,
Okay.
like explaining about the elements of the modal, that I have taken from the YouTube again.
Yeah, this is what I expected even on the audio file slide. Okay. On one
Yeah,
side
yes,
video,
ma'am.
on one side you have this text. Okay.
Yes,
Similar
yes, ma'am.
way, you can incorporate different media elements on a single slide even when using the audio. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am. So, and to this third slide, this is the multiple choice questions I have given. The other question, interactive question I have added.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, this is the last one, ma'am. That is,
Okay.
this is the PPT. So now can I show it through the Lumi
Yeah,
app?
yeah. Mhm.
Okay, ma'am. So click start and create a new one. Now I am creating a course presentation. Here it is not installed. So click on get option,
Mhm.
click on install option. It is getting installed. So it got installed successfully. Now we'll use the course presentation. The same one I can take, ma'am.
Yeah, you can take the same one. Yeah, I have one important point to make here. So
Yeah.
whenever you introduce any H5P module,
Mm.
always show them how to view the examples, right? On
Okay.
the top,
Okay.
you have the example.
Yes.
And
Yes.
similarly, tutorial,
Okay.
because we always have a time constraint while training the faculty members.
Yes.
Okay, if they click on the tutorials, uh, click on the Lumi and again click on the tutorial. So for the majority of the content types, we have tutorials, that is screen by screen, um, or to say snippets, or also for some you also have video tutorials. See, video tutorials are also
Yes,
available.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so these are all the two important points. Once
Okay.
you install and before starting the actual hands-on, show them these are all the tutorials available. And also, okay, can you go to the examples and downloads? Click on the examples and downloads at the top. No, no, click on the examples and downloads.
Yeah.
So total how many you have?
3.
More than 40. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So more than 40.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, yeah.
So here, what are featured like, ma'am? Featured like
These are all the featured mostly used interactive video, course presentation, and I
branching scenario.
for the next presentation you pick this branching. It is somewhat challenging, but
Okay.
you learn how to use this branching scenario because ours is a scenario based or case based teaching methodology, at IBS.
Okay.
Okay, so you
Okay.
work on this thoroughly,
Uh,
mm, and
okay.
be confident for
Okay.
training our faculty members on branching scenario. Mm.
Okay.
And interactive book is also important, but I prefer you to learn about branching scenario.
Okay.
And you can personalize learning. So depending on
Okay.
the, say for example, if my question is wrong, then you
Okay.
can create a new path for me and take me back to the basic concepts slide, basic concepts. So that is the
Okay.
advantage of branching scenario. In India, rarely people use branching scenario. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, then.
So here, so as I have chosen the topic as a
No, no,
model.
no. Click on the metadata. On the
Yeah.
metadata,
Sorry, ma'am.
there
I
itself
forgot.
you can add this. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Here, model for teachers. This comes to the title, and licensed is undisclosed. Can I add it, ma'am? Because
No,
it
no, no.
mentions it
Make it
now.
CCBY,
CCPY.
because we have been using many OER. Now it is our individual commitment towards the society. So always
Okay.
release with the CCBY license. And the latest version is 4.0, you know.
4.0.
Okay.
Yeah. Years from
Yes.
and
The year, this year you are creating in 2022. Just add that 2022. And the source you so here you, yeah, for the first, I don't think you are taking any source. Later
yes,
you
ma'am.
can add. Okay,
Yeah.
others first name, add your name. I'll also show you where you can publish your work. So many platforms, H5P platforms are there. So I have an account with a free publisher.
Here, ma'am.
No, no. License extras. If you have any additional licenses, say for example, other than this, if you have any institutional, say for example, any an institution has a OER policy and they have adapted CCB by SA license. So there
Okay.
you can provide institutional licenses so on. So as of now, we don't have any
Okay.
that licensing information, and click on save author.
So this comes to the method.
Okay,
Yes.
scroll up and save metadata.
Yeah.
Okay, so automatically it takes the title. You need not add that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the title. So as I told you, here are the when I click on the slides, it shows the titles, or you can hide the title, and like all you can auto hide the title as well as the range of the slideshow also.
And that is always all. Click on always to show. Click on always. Check that box.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So that show titles. Okay.
Yeah.
No.
Okay.
Okay. So
Like
now
this.
you need to rename that. Rename the title of that. Yeah. So this is title slide.
Title slide.
Yeah. So once you make it always show on the left side, one can view.
It.
But sometimes
Yeah.
what will happen, it may occupy the space.
Space. That's
After
why. Yeah.
yeah, after completing working on the all the slides, then you can uncheck this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So the
Now I'm unchecking it, ma'am.
advantage of always show is you can edit the title and add the title name.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Here at the bottom also you have the said the
Uh,
same option.
yeah, yeah.
You
From
can
no
just.
title, you can change the. It is still showing no title.
This is the first slide, no, ma'am. When we are adding the second slide, it shows, I think.
No, no. Slide one, it has taken. Okay.
Yeah. In the second slide, when we say show the second slide,
Okay. Add the title first.
title I have added, ma'am. Only just title.
No, no.
Title like modal. Yeah. It's showing
Okay.
title.
Mm.
Yes. So to this, I am adding the text using the text button. The same thing I will take it as an option, like a heading. Modal for features. So here you can choose the font size here. As we are taking it as a heading, I'm choosing a big one, and I'm using as a
Align it to
bold.
center.
Align it to center. And if you want to add any other colors or
Colors.
a background or something, you can just go through it and click on it.
Okay, for accessibility reasons, now earlier we used to use all the colors and all. Now so
Yes, ma'am.
we stopped using this. And also for
Yes,
this also metadata, you are expected to add metadata. Later you can add, but for every element you have the metadata button. Can you see that next to the text metadata?
yes,
Just
ma'am.
so you're expected to add all these. Okay, later you can add. Okay,
Yeah. Okay, ma'am.
or simply say title slide. Add title slide, because for this no content is there, so you need not provide the license. Okay, save metadata. Okay.
Sure. So this is the first slide,
Mhm.
and click on done option. So this is the slide you have. Here you can resize according to your option. So this is the first slide. Now to this, I can just add an image. So clicking on the image option. I don't have image now, so I'm taking it from the, first I'll download it.
No, you cannot, Rajeshwari,
Yes, ma'am.
you have learned about CC licensed images. You cannot blindly take all the images
Okay, ma'am.
and apply the filter, OER filter, Creative Commons on that. How do you do
Here,
that? No, how do you do that? After searching for images, how do you do that?
attribute builder, ma'am.
No, not attribute builder. For searching OER images,
Uh, that,
where is the filter? Just give Moodle. Just give Moodle. That's it. Type in as Moodle. Not required. Image is not required. Just remove that. Remove. You forgot everything, Rajeshwari.
no, ma'am.
Remove that. Just give Moodle and
Okay.
search and click on the images. Images. Yeah. Third option. No. It's already there. Images tab is there. No. All news and images. And then apply the filter from the gear icon. No. Yeah. Advanced search.
Here,
So this is
filter
how you need
use.
to find CC licensed images, Creative Commons licenses. Not required. File type is not required. Just give any file type we can accept. No, you want specific file?
I have taken JPG, ma'am, there. So I am using
Okay,
this.
advanced search. PNG, generally we use PNG also.
Okay.
Okay. So that is the image you take. Click on visit. Click on visit. Click on visit button. And before reusing, what you should do? Click on some
So,
rights reserved. You right click on some rights reserved and open in a new link. So it
this
is
two,
showing CCBY 2.0.
two.
So this
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
CCBY is the most open license. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can use even for commercial purposes. How good are you at this OER training, Rajeshwari? Can you train Naresh? Naresh, are you confident about OER? Bhishma is new to this. Naresh is answering in the chat. Naresh and Bhishma.
Yes, ma'am.
So what about your OER literacy? So are you a OER literate or not? Answer my question. Huh.
Somewhat, whatever I have seen in your PPT, I mean, this how the searching.
Never heard. Okay. Oh, I'll
Uh,
do one thing. I'll give you one link. First complete, three of you first complete that course on COL Commons. Okay. Then we'll have a session on that. Understanding OERs. Okay. Pasting this in the chat. Okay. And complete the course and download the certificate and upload the certificate to Google Drive and share with the team through email. Okay.
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 Three of you.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Because future is OER enabled e-learning only. Even UGC and AICTA, they're promoting OER. UGC concept note on blended learning also talks about OER. So you should be well versed. Okay. With OER.
Okay.
Okay. So now, no,
Yeah.
you want to download or you want to use the URL? You have the two options, right? Do you have?
Yes, ma'am. We have two options. So I have
Then copy
downloaded and
the URL. Why do you want to download and upload? I told you no. As far as
so I'll copy
possible,
the URL.
copy this.
You have to click on share option and copy the URL. And just copy it. Add image. Oh, it's
You
taking.
no, you don't have URL option here, right? Only for
Okay,
videos.
download option.
No,
Only for
for only
videos.
for videos you have that URL, YouTube or Vimeo URLs. Okay,
Yes.
so
Yes.
you need to download the image. So minimize the usage of images on course presentation. Okay, don't download large.
Yeah,
It will
small one, ma'am. Small one I have.
okay. So it may consume bandwidth, more bandwidth. If you after completing this, you need to publish it either on any H5P publishing platform or publish it on Moodle course. So rename. Always rename a edit image. Delete it. Can so as soon as you download it, you rename any image. Make it meaningful. Moodle logo or Moodle icon. Okay. Don't give image. Moodle logo or something. What's the problem? Click on Moodle logo now. Click on Moodle logo. Yeah. Open.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Metadata there you need to give the credit, due credit to that. What is there on Flickr? No. Copy everything from the Flickr. You minimize this and copy from the Flickr. Just Moodle. No, not this one. Title of the image. It's given as Moodle only. Okay.
yes,
And
ma'am.
copy the publisher, Bernard Goldbach. Lumi. Not here. Copy the publisher.
Yeah.
No, on the Flickr. Bernard Goldbach. Copy. From left, you copy this. Author's name. Save author. First save author. Okay. License CC BY 2.0. Year of publishing. Go to the Flickr. Don't get confused. When was it published?
2006.
2006. Okay. See, they started sharing their content as OER with a CC license since 2006. In India, though, still majority of the faculty members, they don't know what it is.
Source, I have taken the URL, ma'am.
Okay. Now,
Here's
metadata. That's it.
Okay. Click on save.
It's eternal. Yeah. Okay.
So if it is for decorative only, then you can check it.
This is only for decorative purpose.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And click on the
then done
option. So here comes the Moodle. Again, here also you can resize the image as per your wish. So here we have the edit option, again the copy option. So like background or what all you can, if you want to resize it, you can just do it, and if you want to remove the image also, you can just click on the delete option. Okay. So this is the first slide. Next one, adding the video
on the first slide. You want to add a video on the first slide itself?
No, like just for the training, no ma'am, I'm sure.
No. So what you need to do is immediately once you start creating any interactive content, always go to file and save it as. Okay. Immediately give a file name, save it as. That is important. Okay. So don't save it. Why do you prefer desktop? I don't understand. Create a folder with your name, Rajeshwari.
Yes,
no problem. Okay. H5P course presentation. No. You retain this. Undo Control Z. Or you copied it, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then. H5P course presentation.
Click on save option.
No. On Moodle, something you should.
Yes.
Where is that? Only you said H5P. Okay.
It is only the course presentation, no, ma'am.
No.
Topic wise, you are telling.
Title.
Okay.
So start with the H5P course presentation, followed by the title. Later you can edit that.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this comes with the first slide, and in the second slide, I'm giving the content of the add. On clicking on the option add new slide, we'll get a second slide.
Okay.
So here.
So what is the advantage of cloning? You explore this and we'll have a present, because I need a standardized template for IBS. Okay. For that, you use this IBS India color combination. some red, some light gray or
Okay.
something what they know. So you use all that. Okay.
Okay. So
Okay.
the second slide, I'm taking the inserting the text as contents of the topic, like that is Moodle for teachers. Here contents. Again, I'm increasing its font size. Bold option. Align to the right only. Click done option. Under the contents,
Edit that. We have the display as button option. So for the contents
display.
you want display as button. Check that display as
No,
button.
like okay, button size big or small.
Let's see what will happen.
Here it comes only there.
This is for additional information when you provide, say for example, one terminology is there. If you want to add glossary for that, then you can use it. Okay. Now
But
edit
here
it.
the text is
Edit
not
it.
shown. Why, ma'am?
No, edit it and uncheck that. No, just I wanted to check how it looks like.
Okay.
Now click on done.
Okay, click on done. So under this only I want to add the contents of the text. Again, click on the option text.
Why?
So now
Can't you add the bullets under that? Delete this.
Yes, ma'am.
Delete.
We can, ma'am. Here itself
Add.
we can add the bullets, ma'am, like this.
No. Under contents, why can't you copy and paste all your bullets on the same box? Delete this.
Oh, okay.
Click
like
on trash. Click on trash. Top right you have trash. Okay.
Yeah.
Now
Here
copy and paste. Copy and paste. Can't you add the bullets in the same box? That is my question.
Okay.
Where is your PPT that you presented? So no introduction and all. No. First one.
Not that one.
Where do you have?
Here.
Okay, you want this.
This I have already created
This,
in the Lumi app and pasted, ma'am.
No. Scroll up from the first slide. You can copy something. No, on course presentation.
Okay.
This is only for sample later.
Okay.
Copy this. First edit that video. Adding video. Correct that spelling video on your slide, Rajeshwari. VID, right? Yeah. Okay. Or simply you can type in introduction to Moodle or something, no?
Yeah.
Instead of copying contents. After contents, hit enter. Edit that contents box. Yes. Hit enter and take bullets. You have bullets. You want to paste this or undo Control Z. Take the bullets. Introduction to Moodle. What else you wanted to create? New users, user accounts. No full stop. I said you don't use full stop and commas. Okay. Okay. You can unbold. You can change the font size. I think it has taken the first size. Take it. Okay. Now click on done.
Click on done option. So this is the second slide. To this we can add the audio or else a video also. But now I am not available with the audio and video, ma'am, because I downloaded in that system. So
okay. Okay. Now
video I can do it, ma'am, because it is from the URL.
See, this is the slide presentation. On the same slide, how do you add a video or audio? It should be on the Moodle introduction. Should be the next slide, right?
Yes, ma'am. So no, introduction also can be added, like audio can be added, no, ma'am, for introduction also. For that
No. These all are the contents of your presentation, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So ideally, this is the overview of your presentation or something.
Yeah, I'm giving as a title as content of the
contents. Just
contents.
Or overview of presentation. Generally, we don't use that overview, presentation overview. Change that to presentation overview. or simply overview. Simply you can give overview. Session overview or something. Next title, Moodle introduction.
Next title is the introduction.
You said Moodle introduction under
Yeah.
contents, right?
Yes,
Moodle no, give the same
introduction
title.
to Moodle, I think.
Okay. And on the second slide, you change that contents to overview. No, on the slide itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Session overview or something. Change it to session overview. Okay.
So in the third slide.
Now you can.
Here, introduction to Moodle.
No, not required. You can go to directly to moodle.org and get some content. You want to add it?
Like I'm giving as a side heading.
No, you go to moodle.org and just get the information. What is there about Moodle?
This I can add it, ma'am?
No, scroll down. Learn about Moodle 4. No, scroll down and you have about Moodle, right? Okay, click on documentation then. Earlier we used to have, now they're promoting 4.0. Okay.
Switches.
You don't have Moodle introduction? Right, let me check. Yeah, you have on the footer, you have about Moodle, right? Now they are saying a learning platform, not an LMS. Got it about Moodle, Rajeshwari? No, go back to the first slide, moodle.org. Scroll down to the footer, about Moodle is there. No, just above the community forums, just above the community forums. Scroll up a bit. About Moodle. Click on about Moodle. First hyperlink. Yeah. So now initially we used to consider it as CMS. Now they changed LMS to a learning. Copy the first one. Moodle is a learning and single personalized learning environments. Okay. Copy it. Paste it here and click on the metadata and add from where the source metadata. Click on the metadata button because this you have taken. So about Moodle, just copy that about Moodle. Licensees, I think they have GNU license. Scroll down. I don't think they have that. They have GNU general public. Do we have GNU general public license? No. On this.
Here.
Yes, GNU public license is there. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
Version will be?
Version will not be. Now no version, only for Creative Commons. It is not activated. That's it. And here it was when can you scroll down and check? 2022. That's it. Latest. And source, copy the URL and paste it here. See, copy that about. So by sharing all these metadata elements, we are not violating any copyright. Okay, that is important. Okay. First name and Moodle only, Moodle HQ or Moodle, that's it. Other Moodle HQ. Save author. Okay, bus. Save metadata. Okay, now done. Now you can add a video. Push it aside.
No, the option. This also I'm taking from the URL. Here we can't find audio videos, no, ma'am, within the documentation.
You want a video or audio?
Like audio, I have taken video, converted to audio, ma'am. The same video also I uploaded it.
No. Go to YouTube and search for Moodle. Moodle videos are available, no? Moodle, yes, Moodle HQ. These all are again Okay, just Moodle. Search for Moodle. And how do you apply the filter? No, wait. How do you apply the Creative Commons license filter? Show us.
Yes.
Where is the filter? Yeah. Under features. You forgot everything,
Uploaded.
Rajeshwari. Features,
No, ma'am.
Creative Commons. Under features, you have the Creative Commons filter. Apply that. Okay.
So last.
So what is Moodle? Just below the video, if you expand, show more, click on show more, then you will be able to see the Creative Commons
License version.
license. So
Yes,
where is the license?
CC BY4.
Okay. So now, in order to get that,
Share option. Like that.
no, you need to get
Link.
the title and all now first. Okay.
Yeah,
What is
beside
Moodle
my.
LMS? You need to add all those metadata
I
elements
can
to
type it like that. Is
click
LMS.
on metadata. Click on metadata. Okay. License CCBY 4.0. Year of publishing 2018. Source. We have already copied, no? Share from the share. Okay. Copy is there. Copy. Click on the copy text. Author's name Moodle. Moodle only. It's
Moodle.
by Moodle HQ. Save
Yes.
author and save metadata. So now source file, you have the URL. So never
But
upload
this will
any.
be
Uh,
video,
you,
no, ma'am? Will you take it to audio only?
okay, wait.
That we have to check it.
No. We
Because
have
I converted my video to audio online, ma'am, and I have added that audio.
Moodle podcasts are there. They're releasing these days. They're releasing Moodle podcasts. If you go to moodle.com.
Shall we check once, ma'am? If you add and click done option, what happens?
Wait. I have. But I'm sharing this link in the chat, but I don't find something related to. Click on that. These days they are releasing their podcasts. I love. Okay, you show us with a video instead of
Audio, ma'am?
podcast. Okay.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
canceling it.
Cancel all these because they don't have any introduction audio file
Yes.
for that.
So to
Or
add
you need to go
on
to
video,
SoundCloud and let me check if you have. Okay.
yeah, the same thing I'm giving. Clicking on place icon, enter the URL, click insert. Click. So here you can
We
just
don't
add.
have any video track, right?
Yes, ma'am. Here also you have the options: autoplay video or the loop video
No, don't
and
enable that.
visuals. These are all we can take it. So directly click on the option done. So the video is uploaded. Here also you can drag and drop the alignment.
Why do you want to leave so much space? Why can't you align it to the center and Whenever you add
Yeah.
one more element, always use Control S or file save. That is important,
Okay.
Ajeshwari.
Yes, ma'am.
Control S or file save.
Okay.
So
So
whenever you want,
this third
you
video.
you can drag it, you can expand that, because you have lot. You want to add something else to the same.
Nothing, ma'am. In like, yeah, nothing, ma'am. Secondly, I
Okay.
have to add only the
Oh,
queries, ma'am.
okay, save it.
Yeah. So now take the other slide. Click on option.
You want to add one more slide?
Yes, ma'am. To this, I can add the queries like interactive questions.
Questions. Okay.
Here,
Self-assessment or something. Or if you have MCQs or MCQ, self-assessment.
self-assessment. Here, I'm taking it as I have given as a creating new user account also. No?
You can start with introduction to Moodle. No, you can give questions on Moodle itself.
Okay, ma'am.
Moodle acronym stands for, so you can give 4 options. So there was a confusion similar to instead of what's the full form of Moodle or something. You give 4 options.
Yeah. I'm giving as one filling the blank and one multiple choice questions. Ma'am.
Okay,
Shall I?
okay. Oh yeah.
Okay. So clicking on the option fill in the blank. Here also, here I'm not taking any resource.
Here you can take, you can give your name because you are creating this. No, you are not copying from elsewhere.
Okay. So here the answer must be given as quoted in the above, like a task description. It is. Shall I give LMS or a learning platform, ma'am?
No, learning management. Moodle is a learning management. Add a no. Before those double
Okay.
I mean star, you add a is a learning management system. Yeah.
The learning management system.
Full stop. Full
Now
stop. Full stop.
here you can give the
Uh,
passing percentages. I'm giving it as 100. And like another, like if you have 2 to 3 options, you can just give it the options also. First answer, second answer, like approximate nearby to the answer. So you can give the range of the passing grade here and click
can you
on done
scroll up?
option.
Can you scroll up? What are the instructions?
Click add range button to add as many ranges as you need.
But this is a single
Only single
fill
one,
in the
ma'am. And
fill in, I don't think we require. You can remove this.
okay,
Remove these 2 ranges.
yeah. So click on done option. What is this?
Remove that Oslo Norway. Show instructions. You can add instructions. Okay.
Now it will take it.
Again,
Again,
it's showing what is that?
only one is there, ma'am.
Right. The list needs at least 1 attempt of the content. What is that? Text block. Add text block. What is that? Click on add text block. By default, it is saying click on show instructions. This is in this block. You need to add this, right? No, you already have that metadata, task description. You're supposed to add this in the block. Cut that
This
from
answer,
that. A guide telling the user how to answer this task. That's it. The instructions for the students over there. Cut it from there and paste it here. And provide the instructions. Fill in the blank poll above first box. Yeah.
But it is taking the both, ma'am, fill in the blank also. While I'm creating the PPT also, it got the same thing.
Let's see.
See, it is giving displaying fill in the blank also.
Fill in the blank. Fill in the blank. That is the instruction for the student. Moodle is what you expect your students to do.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Ideally, it should be in the block. Block.
Okay. So this is how we create the fill in the blank.
Save it.
And
Control S.
next, to this only I am giving a multiple choice questions.
Moodle full form
Elements.
or something. Moodle full form or something. Moodle elements, huh? What are those elements?
Okay.
Moodle full form, because after the first introduction video,
Yes.
then one should be able to expand Moodle. So question? Moodle acronym stands for? Acronym. ACH, no H. ACRONYM. H is not there. And put 3 dots at the end. Acronym stands for? Okay. Next options. So
shall I give shortcut, ma'am, or full total?
No. Moodle, what is the Moodle acronym? Expand Moodle, Rajeshwari. Moodle stands for what?
Yeah. Okay.
Moodle stands for what? Answer from Bhishma and Naresh. Moodle stands for what?
Module.
Array. Answer from Naresh and Bhishma. No answer, huh? You're searching now for the answer. Shame on you. So you are managing an LMS, but you don't know the full form of that LMS acronym. You can't expand the acronym. What is the answer? No, they don't know. Okay. Well, I'm giving you the answers. Okay. First, we'll start with the distractors. Modular. Object. We'll start with the correct answer. Anyway, it will shuffle. Modular, object-oriented, dynamic. Object-oriented. Object hyphen. Object. Oriented. Dynamic. Learning environment. So he never paid attention to my training. So check the correct box. It's the right answer. Okay. So second option, you copy and paste and you can change that object to objective. Objective oriented instead of objective. Add one more option and paste it there. And any other distractors from the team members?
Platform.
No. So the word last alphabet is E.
Okay.
Modular, object oriented. Other distractors, we need other 2 distractors. Dynamic.
Digital learning environment.
Digital learning environment. Okay, instead of dynamic, digital learning environment. Okay, copy and paste it. Add one more option. And we need one more distractor for this.
None of the above.
No, no, no. I generally never encourage that. None of the above, all the above, A and B. No, don't give. Modular, object oriented, digital learning. What was that? Digital learning education. Okay. Change that environment to education. So now the team members are using their brains. Okay. Done. Okay. So always drag from the corners, Rajeshwari.
Okay.
Always drag so that from the it will be expanded lengthwise and breadthwise also. Okay. Save.
Yeah.
And we also have one more option for this MCQ. Adaptive learning. Do we have that? Can you expand behavioral settings? Expand behavioral settings here on the slide. Down you have that. Oh, so change that override retry button. Change that to pull it down. Enable that. Okay. Scroll down. What else we have? No, what is the first option? Scroll up slowly.
Activate
Override show solution button. Pull down that enable.
enable.
No, we don't have any answer. Disable that. Okay. And scroll down to the, what are the social settings? Expand. Display
Okay.
page. Okay, no, we don't encourage because we are not confident about this entire course presentation. Can you scroll up? Now control S. Okay. Now you can show us the student view.
Yes.
So the remaining here you can explore. Now others can explore. Let them explore.
Okay.
Scroll. Show us the student view. I mean, yeah.
So here's the first slide.
Expand. Full screen. Make it full screen.
The second slide. Here it is.
Ideally, we missed out one thing, Rajeshwari. For any
Yes, ma'am.
OERs, ideally, what should we do? Just below the video itself, we need to
We
generate
have to
the
attain.
KASL attribution using the
Yes.
Open Attribution Builder, and you
Yes.
should paste it just below using the text
Okay.
box. Don't
Okay,
forget.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Go to the next slide.
So this is the like the circle like thing. Here we can show you view
Okay,
the self assessment.
give the rank answer. Give the rank answer and check.
I'm just giving the shortcut, ma'am, because we have given the
Oh, you didn't enable retry button. Okay, can you go to the edit mode and do we have that retry button? Behavioral settings. Expand the behavioral settings. It's already there, no? Show confirmation dialog. On
on
retry.
retry.
And disable this enable the, show solution. We don't have a solution, no? Okay. Done. Save it. Control S and view. Go to the third slide. Finish.
Okay, at times it's not.
No, it's not taking. Okay, try with the wrong answer on Moodle acronym. We'll check this. Pick the wrong one.
Yeah. Here it is getting retry. Why it is
We don't know. Explore on H5P, Rajeshri, whether
Okay.
default they have provided all these, but default we don't get this. Okay.
Okay.
Later,
I think I
you
got.
can. What else you have?
That's all, ma'am.
That's all.
But
Oh,
I got it. Retry button in my presentation. I'm seeing that one.
fill in the
Yeah, I
blank.
got. Yes, ma'am. For fill in the blank, I can do
Then
it.
what happened here?
That's what I'm checking. Okay, I'll check
Oh,
it, ma'am.
wait. Modular is behavioral settings. Scroll down. Enable
Enable
show.
retry. I think.
Okay, check all the boxes. Let's see what will happen. Save it. Control S. Save it first. Control S. Then view. You earlier you tried it single fill in the blank on one slide on
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same.
Only on one slide, ma'am.
That might be the reason.
Not on the
Now it's a
same
mixer,
location.
no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
But even then, for that we have enabled retry, no? Okay, enable this. We'll see what will happen. Save.
I think the same problem, ma'am. Both the questions on the same slide. I'll check it once.
Okay, go to edit. Go to edit. We'll do one thing. Go to edit.
This I'll add in
Okay,
the.
select that, and copy that. No, not expand.
Okay.
Copy option is there, no, for this. Copy. Okay, add a new slide, and now paste it. You have the paste last option. Paste is highlighted now. Last one. Last option. Yeah. Okay.
Here.
So control S. I'll tell you what you need to do.
This I'll
Delete
delete it, ma'am.
this. See, generally what we do, you copy this, fill in the blank. Whenever, copy it and go to the second slide. Whenever you have some content on the same slide, you can also add that. No, video slide is there, no, introduction to Moodle. Okay. You can push this to the left side, the video part, and paste it here. Okay. Drag and drop. Okay. Now save it and see what will happen.
Here it is. This slide should be
The
deleted, ma'am.
slide you can add something else, no? You save this copy and take it to your PC, okay? From this
Okay.
conference room. Now
Okay.
we'll view it. We'll see. Yeah, now you have this. So
solution. If you have given a solution, it is displaying the
there
solution.
was a confusion. We only confused the H5P. Go to the next slide. So that option is always there. You can copy and paste it. If you have an interactive video already created on Moodle, okay?
Okay.
Or you can copy it, though it is a separate H5P interactive content created, you can copy it and you can merge with this using the paste option.
Okay.
Got it? Not
Yes,
only
ma'am.
MCQs, any interactive content you created elsewhere, open it on a Lumi app and use the copy option and go back to your course presentation, one of the slides, and you can paste it there. You need
But
not
here
wait.
it's ma'am. But here it's showing now, na? Then I think only one type of
That was the
interactive.
confusion. Now you can delete
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
But we don't give only a single fill in the blank. Now, if you have 4 or
Yes.
5 fill in the
Many.
blanks
Yeah.
in a paragraph, then you can retain this. Otherwise, you can
Yes.
delete this. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what were the observations? Can anyone help Rajeshwari? What were the observations made throughout her presentation? You can stop live streaming, Rajeshwari.
Yes, ma'am.
And do you have that URL with you? YouTube live streaming. You copy streaming the link. Okay. What were the observations?
She spoke all about how to create an H5P content. For
Rajeshri, from the
Yes,
more link down, you can stop live streaming. Rajeshri, where are you?
yeah, yes, ma'am.